We put our trust in the cloud, in exchanges, in passwords. We think our digital wealth is safe until the moment we realize we never really had control at all. Not your keys, not your crypto. It's a hard lesson, but it's the only one that matters. But something catches his eye. Billboards flashing past the window. Cold storage wallets, a different way to protect what's his. Dave wakes up. This time he's paying attention. It's time to take it back. True security isn't just digital, it's physical. It's something you can hold in your hand, uncompromising, absolute. Precision engineering meets impenetrable armor. Keep your assets offline, out of reach, and entirely yours. Welcome to the new standard of self-custody. Ledger, secure your future.